Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group, here today with Ryan Howell with Coastline Home Inspections. And wanted to give you a scenario. We're doing a home inspection, you're doing a home inspection, and you find moisture. My clients are very worried about mold. What can we do?
Well, that's a common thing that comes up. There's really only 3 times mold gets brought up to us. It's going to be in that scenario where there's moisture found, or there's a prior leak that was documented, or the occupant has severe allergies, or is undergoing chemotherapy, something that suppresses their immune system. And we have very easy, clear answers on mold and ways to determine whether or not there's a problem. So the first step would be obviously do an evaluation, see about how much of an area is affected, so we can get a sense of where the leak might be coming from. And then the second part would be to do air testing. So when mold grows, it releases these spores into the air, and we collect them with a specialized pump, and then we send it off to our lab, and the lab analyzes it. And they will tell us based on a plethora of factors, not just how many spores that they found, but based on all kinds of factors that you can't even imagine. They will determine whether or not it's a problem or whether or not it's just a normal level of mold, because you're always going to have some level of mold in a house. It's impossible to rid it completely unless you built a clean room. And so most people aren't going to do that, so you're just going to live with it indoors and out. What we want to make sure is just that it's an acceptable level, that it's not an indication that we have a big water problem or a hidden water leak somewhere that we don't know where it is. So that's typically how we'd address it. We get results can be had in about 24 hours, and the sample takes about 20 to 30 minutes max.
Great, really good information. Thank you very much, and call us if you have any questions about mold or anything. We do home.